natin ito, she can dance. And I think lahat ng kids alam na alam ko. Okay, meron lang tayong 4 easy steps. And now, ang ating first step, itaas po natin ang ating dalawang kamay. Itaas, very good. Taas natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and clap, clap, clap. Mukhang natakot natin sila.
Wala! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Alright, one more time. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday! Two. Palikitan. Sige, salin ka na lang later. Into 1! Nakikinig sila. Okay, atras ulit. Atras. Backward. Group yourselves into 4! Wala na.
Kaya dito, birthday message po para sa napakagandang celebrant na si Vana.
Birthday ba?
Dito,
tayo dahil kakandaan na natin si Vana ng Happy Birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, isa pa yung mas masaya naman. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, isa jolly birthday, Vana. But before you blow your candle, i-birthday wish mo naman Mani and Kuya. Alright, and of course, Mami, Kuya, and Jacob, Jollibee, Vista Mall, so walang mali. Ang tanging wish namin for you, Vana, ay sana lahat ng iyong wish ay matupad at malalo ang iyong marating. Kaya naman, Vana, you did not blow your candle. Let's go on 1, 2, 3, blow! Alright, sabay-sabay na.
Happy birthday, Vana. Thank you.
Okay, next po. Forward kids, forward dito, forward.
Tapos na.
Princess. Okay, next.